Grain augers are one of the pieces of farm equipment that per hour of use are perhaps one of the most dangerous pieces of equipment because of their design to reach up onto grain bins at great heights, their active moving components in terms of the auger and the flight involved in drawing the grain up, and the hydraulic components and winches used to drive the auger itself.
When we look at augers today, what we're finding is there's been great improvement both in the manufacturing and the shielding and guarding, the engineering of augers. People are being much more careful. They're making sure that they're shutting down the machine when they're working on it. We also have a situation where people are being trained much better, and they're much more aware of the potential dangers out there when they're working in and around augers.
Power augers in any bins can be a dangerous piece of equipment if not used properly. One of the ways that we ensure safety is by having lockouts on the power source at the bin doors. That way when personnel have to go in to work on these augers, that the power can be locked out and tagged that somebody is in those bins. One of these mechanisms here is a lockout on the auger engagement for inside the bin. That way that sweep auger inside the bin cannot be started. This ring is connected to a mechanism inside the bin that stops the auger at a point here that will not allow that auger to carry on any further. It will stop its motion. Additionally, inside the bin there's safety grates covering the holes. This way you can't get your foot caught in the holes or into the auger.
Here at the Barquet Ranch, we've gotten away from using augers for a lot of our transfer of feed and fertilizer, mainly because of the inherent problems with augers, the problems with cold weather start, and then by not using augers, we don't have problems with people getting caught in the augers. So we developed rather a simple system here that could be adapted to almost any place. All you need is a bank, and the sides could be made out of timbers, or in this case we use steel. The trucks drive over top and dump into the bottom part here, and we just come in with a loader. We use a cat loader, but could be a tractor with a loader, and move the product that way. The operator never has to get out of the machine and the loader in transferring the stuff. I really like this system because it not only makes transfer of product more efficient, but we're reducing the hazard by having somebody get caught in augers, and it keeps the employees happier because they're not messing around in the cold with machinery that doesn't always start easy. It's part of our safety plan here, and it's a simple, easy system to put in place.